Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Hopefully you guys can see me right now. I know that sun's pretty bright, but I have had this Cruze for just about 2 years now, coming up in early November, and yeah, I'm going before them. We have had very few problems with the car, and I've really enjoyed it. So today I wanted to list off 5 reasons on why I love my Chevy Cruze. So guys, before we jump into this, I just want to remind you guys, I post videos every Tuesday and Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tuesday is more of a car vlog, kind of along what we're doing right now, but this is going on Friday anyways, because Fridays are just a random car type content video. So, to be sure you don't miss out on any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell, so you don't miss out. One of the very first things I want to talk about that I love so much about this car is the way that it handles corners. Now, granted, it might not be a Subaru or any other all-wheel drive car that's just so amazing going around corners, but for what I'm used to, I absolutely love the way this car handles corners. It just seems to kind of grip around them and goes wherever you point the car. And so I'm never afraid to, you know, speed a little bit more than I would typically around a corner. Like right now I'm speeding and I'm not even meaning to. But that is one of my very first reasons on why I love the car so much, is just the way that it handles the corners. I just feel extremely comfortable going around corners while speeding, just to have some fun. You know how it is. So, number 2, which kind of goes along with that, which you might see a little bit of right now, is just, I absolutely love the feeling you get from the steering wheel, as well as the combination of the clutch and the shifter. The steering wheel is just so, I don't know, it just feels so precise and instant. Like, you know, as soon as you start to turn that wheel, it's going. And the shifter, it's just super smooth, and this is still a stock shifter. I don't know, I'm assuming they probably make aftermarket ones for them, but I just love the way the stock one feels, love the way the stock clutch feels. We do have a stage 2 kit on it, but it's not pushing enough power that, you know, I really need to upgrade the clutch. So yeah. So, number 3 on the list of reasons why I love this car would be all the mods that they have available. Now, all we have on this car currently is a Stage 2 kit from ZZPerformance. They've got a whole ton of mods for these Cruzes. I mean, this one has the 1.4 turbo. They have a ton of things available for these engines, and really with the Stage 2 kit, it is what it is. It's just a starter to get you going on having some fun with these cars. So all that is a cold air intake, turbo back exhaust, and a bigger intercooler. And let me tell you, it really makes a huge difference with these cars. Hey, before I forget, if you guys enjoy these loud cars, the loud car life, the sport car life, be sure to check out my clothing brand, NoiseDistrictApparel.com. You can check us out on Instagram as well. I just released these hoodies yesterday, so be sure to check it out. I'd really appreciate it. Now back to the video. Number 4 on the list of reasons why I love this car is the trunk space. Now, these cars are very compact cars. They're small cars. But this, especially the Eco, they they took out the spare wheel and whatnot to save weight so that you could get better fuel mileage, which I kind of, avoided getting that good fuel mileage by modding it. But anyways, with that, you get some extra trunk space, but I really think these cars have great trunk space as it is. Like, we've got 2 12-inch subwoofers in the back there that just kind of tuck up in real nice in the box that they're in, and we can still go to the grocery store on the weekend or whatever, buy all the groceries that we need, and they'll fit back there perfectly fine. Like, it's a great size trunk. It's just practical, I guess is what it is. So, number 5 on my reasons of why I love these cars, or this car specifically, is just how versatile they are. Like, with the mods, with the way the steering is and all that, you could easily, with some money, make this like a fun tracking car, especially if you threw on some coilovers. So you could make this car to be trackable, like what we do. It's daily driven all through the winter and everything, and yeah, it can honestly be taken anywhere. It's so small. It's front wheel drive. You can mod the crap out of it if you want to. It can be just taken anywhere, used for anything. And that's why I really love this car. So, there is quickly 5 reasons on why I love these cars. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Anything that you think should have been on the list, or yeah, what else do you love about the Cruzes? And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.